My name is Richard Price. I currently work in Llangewydd Junior School in Bridgend. I wanted to improve my standard of Welsh, written, spoken and understanding of the Welsh language. I wanted to become a more confident teacher in Welsh. I've got so much out of the course this year. Like I said, I've got now a huge resource bank to teach children Welsh in a fun, interesting way. Lots of the lessons I taught will be in a cross-curricular way in line with a new curriculum. The tutors have been really good. They've been supportive with me. They've helped me correct fossilised errors which I had from my time when I was learning Welsh when I was younger. So yeah, I've got lots of new ideas, new initiatives to use with my children in my school in September. And I'm rearing to go back into teaching and helping my pupils just develop a love and an interest for the Welsh language. Yeah, I'll definitely be more confident, more enthusiastic, like a new teacher, like an NQT all again.